I'm John Seymour, co-owner of Sweet Chick. Today we're here at our newest location in Long Island City, Queens. The original restaurant opened about 5 years ago in Williamsburg. And I had heard the story about how chicken and waffles was invented in New York. In Harlem, in the jazz clubs in the 20s, a jazz musician went into the kitchen late night after a set, didn't know if he wanted breakfast or dinner, and the chef was like, I have some fried chicken left over, and I can make some waffles. And I didn't necessarily think there was any kind of modern representation of it in New York. And I took that and I was like, we 100% have to do Queens. Because Queens to me is really New York. There's such a cross-section of cultures here. You really have everybody that lives in Queens, and it's really a great representation of what New York is. And so far, we've been open 2 days and Queens has really embraced us. Fried chicken is obviously a Southern thing. And I'm not a Southern guy, but I really wanted to get a really authentic Southern fried chicken experience. We use an antibiotic-free, hormone-free chicken raised in Pennsylvania. We get the chickens in whole, we butcher them ourselves, so obviously they're super fresh. And then it's the brine. We do a sweet tea brine, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, a couple other things as well. The brine is really what's going to infuse the flavors that you want to have into that chicken. And once the chicken is fully brined, we're gonna go into our dredge. And we take the chicken fully dredged, we drop it in the fryer. When we first started out frying our chicken, we were using open fryers, and was doing some research and found out about these pressure fryers. It locks in the moisture in that brine that we work so hard to get, and it keeps that chicken just that much more moist. Everybody got something that they like more, the chicken or the waffle. I hear a lot that our waffles are the greatest waffles you've ever had, and that comes from a lot of trial and error as well. But one of the things that makes our waffle so special is that we whip our egg whites to a stiff peak, and when we fold that into the batter, it really makes that waffle super airy and fluffy. I thought chicken and waffle could be a really great vehicle for a lot of different flavors, so we've kind of taken that and ran with it. So two of our most popular chicken and waffles that most people order is the General Tso's chicken and waffle, and one of my favorites on the menu is the Nashville hot chicken and waffle. We just want to have fun with it and step it up a notch. After finding out that chicken and waffles was invented in Harlem, I was like, really? I'd always thought it was like a California thing. Being a native New Yorker myself, I was like, damn, it's made its bones on the West Coast. And so the idea behind Sweet Chick itself was like, let's let chicken and waffle be like kind of the star of the show and really what we're about. It's such like a comfort meal. Like it's really kind of the quintessential comfort meal. You can eat it daytime, nighttime. And I really wanted to build a place that could bring in the community. And at the end of the day, that's what Sweet Chick's all about.